Hello guys, if you are just coming across this channel, my name is Comfort. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making Liberian bitterball, or what you call garden egg. Yes, I start up by seasoning my meat that I have washed clean. I added 2 spoons of Knorr seasoning. I'm adding some white pepper, and I'm adding some black pepper. I will also be adding half cube of Knorr. Guys, you can add any seasoning of your choice, but this is how I season my meat. And here I'll be blending some ginger, garlic, and onions, and add it also. And then I will mix it.
When the morning breaks with golden fire, the world's a map, each step takes you higher.
After mixing, I will add in some sliced onions, close it, and put on my stove so that the cooking will begin. Here are my other ingredients that I will be making my stew with. Here is it. It has steamed up for a while now. Guys, I allow my meat to steam before adding in more water. So after the meat has steamed up, I have some dry fish that I boiled earlier. So I will be adding it to my meat. And then add in some water and the balance cube that I kept. So this is what that is going to be cooking the meat. And then I close the pot so that the meat will cook. And then I move over to my bitterball that I had in my fridge. Guys, I had a bitterball for some time now. I just had it in my fridge until I'm ready to cook it. So today is the day that I'm cooking it, so I brought it out, put it in this my sifter, wash it again, put on my pot that I'll be using to cook my bitterball, and then I add in my bitterball, my washed bitterball, and I added in some water. Just add water that will cover up the bitterball. Like this, I added like 2 cups of water. You might need more or less depending on the quantity of bitterball you are cooking. So the bitterball has been cooking for a while. I check on it, tested it to make sure if it was cooked, and it was well cooked. So I remove it from the stove, I put it in the sift, and then I rinse in this pot because I'm going to be using the same pot to make this stew. So I rinse in the pot and put back on the stove, and I allow the pot to dry up so that I'll be adding in my oil, my rare oil. So I added in my oil. Guys, I'm using our measurement. I'm not exact with the measurement of this oil. And then I allow the oil to heat up, and I added in some sliced onions and allow it to fry for 2 minutes. After which I went in with my blended tomatoes, onions, and pepper that I showed you earlier. After blending, I went in with it and I stir it, and then I added in all my favorable seasoning. So yeah, I added in 2 seasoning cube, 1 chicken seasoning and 1 onga seasoning, and then I added in 1 spoon of bouillon seasoning. I also added in some black pepper and white pepper, And then I added in some crawfish. Guys, I inherited this from my Nigerian people. Yes, I inherited this crawfish from my Nigerian. And try it, guys. My Liberian people, try this and thank me later. It's very delicious. So, but it's optional though, because some people are allergic to crawfish. I added in my blended crawfish. I allow it to fry a bit. And I put in this my smoked fish that I smoked by myself from scratch. Yes. Hey, we brought Africa to Europe. I added in this fish so that it will get in the juice of the sauce before adding in my other ingredient that you saw me cooking earlier. Yes, and I allow it to fry for like 2 minutes, and then I added in my beta ball. You can choose to add in your meat and meat stock first, but I choose to put in my beta ball or my garden egg. Guys, just know I'm from Liberia. We call this beta ball. So you always hear beta ball. And now I'm sorry, at this point, I lost some of my clip. I didn't show you guys, I didn't capture where I was putting in my meat stock along with my other meat that you saw me cooking earlier, because this on this day I was making 2 pot of soup. Yes, just so you know, we have to throw 1 stone to kill serious birds. So I was busy, and then I forget about that clip, but just to let you know, my other ingredients have been added to this pot. I've added my meat stock and my meat that you saw me cooking, and yeah, it's it. It's okay, it's well seasoned, well cooked, and I'm done with this soup. Guys, this soup, the aroma of this kitchen now, and thanks for watching, guys.